The library can now suggest resources to replace existing titles on Leganto reading lists. For example, you may have situations where your library acquires a new edition of a title, and you want to let instructors know so they can update their reading lists to use the new edition. This was a NARES request. I will show you how it works. My library just acquired the 2023 edition of the Sage Handbook of Leadership. I will start by searching for the citations that I want to replace. You can search for a specific MMS ID or search using any of the other options in the citation search. I will search for the title. We can see that this title is being used in several lists. Select the citation or citations that you want to replace, or select all. Then choose Suggest Replacement. Now I will search for the new title, which I want to suggest, again using the repository search. Here is the 2023 edition. I see a confirmation message, letting me know that this will add suggestions to 8 citations in Leganto. I will click Confirm. Over on the reading list, instructors will see an alert that there are new editions available. The items with suggestions have a tag, New Edition Available, and clicking on the alert will filter the list to these items. When they click on the item, instructors can see the current item and the suggested replacement, and they can either decline the suggestion or replace the item. Choosing Replace Item will link the record to the new MMS ID. The citation metadata updates, the inventory displays the inventory for the new record, and the tag will be removed, finishing the workflow. All other information, such as tags, notes, and usage information, will remain. Alternatively, the instructor may decline the suggestion, which also removes the tag. If this is the last item on the list with a suggestion, the alert is also removed. If you prefer, you can configure Leganto to simply replace the item without requiring instructor approval. Go to Leganto Configuration, Features, Leganto Features, and change the parameter Replacement Suggestion Auto Replace to True. The workflow for performing the replacement is the same. This time I will search by ISBN. Again, I can select some or all of the citations and choose Suggest Replacement. I will search for the newer ISBN and select the title. Note the text on the confirmation message is different this time. When I click on Confirm, the citations will simply be linked to the new MMS ID. For both workflows, citations with approved copyrights cannot be replaced, and they will be skipped in this workflow. You will receive a warning in the confirmation message that displays in ALMA.